In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Monday.com and Facebook step by step. If you want to automate your social media workflow, sync updates, or manage Facebook actions directly from your Monday.com boards, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to set it up properly. By the end of this video, your Facebook account will be successfully connected and ready to use inside Monday.com. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. Head over to Monday.com in your browser and enter your login details. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find your main navigation menu. Scroll through the sidebar until you see the Apps section. Go ahead and click on Apps to open the Monday.com Apps Marketplace. Inside the Apps Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type Facebook. Monday.com will show you available apps and integrations related to Facebook. What you're looking for is the Facebook Integration app. Once you see it in the results, click on it to open the App Details page. On the Facebook integration page, you'll see information about what the integration can do, including automation options and supported actions. To begin installing it, click the Add to Board button. Monday.com will then ask you which board you want to connect Facebook to. Choose the board where you want Facebook actions and automations to happen. This is important because integrations in Monday.com are board-specific. After selecting your board, follow the on-screen prompts to begin the connection process. You'll now be guided through connecting your Facebook account. Look for the Connect Account button in the Integration Setup window and click on it. At this point, a Facebook login window may appear. If you're not already logged in, enter your Facebook credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that manages the Facebook page you want to connect. After logging in, Facebook will ask you to authorize Monday.com to access your account and manage certain permissions related to your Facebook page. Carefully review the permissions being requested. These typically include access to manage pages, read content, or publish posts depending on the integration features. Once you're ready, click Continue or Allow to authorize the connection. This step is essential because without granting permissions, Monday.com won't be able to perform actions on your behalf. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Monday.com. Your Facebook account should now show as connected within the integration settings. At this stage, you can start setting up integration recipes. Integration recipes are pre-built automation templates that tell Monday.com what to do when a specific trigger happens. For example, you might choose a recipe like when a status changes, create a post on Facebook, or when a new item is created, notify the team after publishing to Facebook. Browse through the available recipe options and select the one that matches your workflow. Then customize the fields, such as selecting the correct Facebook page and mapping board columns to Facebook content fields. Once everything is configured, click Save or Add Integration to activate it. Your Monday.com board is now connected to Facebook, and the automation will run based on the conditions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully connected Monday.com and Facebook and set up your first integration. This connection can save you time, streamline your marketing tasks, and keep your team aligned without constantly switching between platforms. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.